Today I'm going to be teaching you all the redstones and how to navigate with them. And also I'm going to teach you how to build a working gambling machine. So stay tuned for that part. So first off here is we have this. I kind of forgot its name, as you can see right here. And if we take this and this, and if we connect a button, I believe right, where's my button? Right here, it turns the signal off. And if we do it back on, so yeah. Next up is this. You're gonna need two thingies for this to work. So what it does is it basically just is a 50, it uses chances, I'd say. And then if I put a TV right here, then I just put a button down. So you can see that that turned on and it landed on that. If I press it again, it will. It's not always like that. It's like 50-50. Okay. See? So it's always different. Next up is this. This is like a door holder. So if you have a door that you probably want, love you, and you want to keep a door open, this block's the perfect, because you can just press the button. Oh, I know what I did wrong. Oh yeah, if you're navigating, you always have to put this down and always make the square face the button, then it works. And it'll stay on for as long as it wants until you press again. And I'll teach you how to use redstone, obviously. And then is this, here's this. So this is basically like a two holder thingy. So it's like this. You put two buttons right here. And if you press one, it doesn't open. If you press this one, it doesn't open either. But if you press both at the same time or differently, it sends a signal. So let's say I'm like this and this. It'll open, but the time will be short. Time to teach you how to use redstone. So first one, you might want to own the button or the small button. And this, we're just gonna make a simple door. Place one small one of these or one of these. I should just small. And then grab this and put a turn. And then, any turn, basically. Then put three of these. And then put one door down. And make sure that the black part is facing the door. And just a reminder, make sure this black part is facing the button. And if you press it, it should work. It should do that. And yeah. Next up is how to build a gambling machine. So, first off, you want to place a button. Any type of button works, but I suggest big. You can also color it if you like. I'm going to color my button green. Then you could also, if you want it wireless, put one of these down. I suggest just make sure the black part is facing down this part, because it doesn't look pretty when you put it down like that. Well, put it. Then you're going to place one of these to make it wireless. So if you press this, it activates that and that. And then you're going to add one of our question mark boxes. This. Make sure that this part, not this part, make sure this part is touching this part. And make sure these two are like this. And then what you want to do is place a small wire right here. Place a turn down on each one. We're making it parallel, basically. It's foldable. Then place a normal sized thingy mabob on each. Then you're gonna put one T or one of these up like this. You're gonna then take this part, put it right here. Do the same thing on the other side. Then you're going to grab TVs. Any TV works, but I like bigs because they're just what I like. Now you've set up the little part where it's a 50-50, basically. But you want to paint them like a winning color and then a losing color. And if you really want to spice things up, you can go to the back of each one and delete both parts, which is like this. You could also add a sound box. Where's it at? Oh wait, I kind of forgot. It's not in here. Boom, right here. So I suggest like a high one for this, and then a low one for this. And then to make them like low and high, you just paint them. Black is super low, and then I believe the high one is like brown, I think. Yeah, brown. I'm gonna make that. So darker colors are basically colors that are like kind of high pitch but low high pitch. So then you're gonna place those right there. Make sure that this part's open. Make sure that there's an under part. Make sure the little sound thingy, this part is facing down, just to make sure. Then you're going to take 2 plus wires and connect them. Then you're going to take one of these and put it back how it was. Do the same thing on the other side. And there you go. Then it should look like this. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to grab wood and you're going to place a 2x2 right here and a 2x2 right here. Put one right there so it's doing that. Then place 2x2s right in the middle. Then just place a 2x2s right here. And then put a 1x1 right here. Then put another 2x2 through the top. And now it's complete. You just press the button. It's a 50-50 and could land on wrong or bro. Hold on, is this rigged to win? How much times? Okay, so it's like that. I suggest like going far away So that way its sound is like, so it's like beep or boom. And yeah, that's all for today. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.